Well, hi there. I'm Andrew Larder. Uh, This is a quick review of a product that's one of the top selling products today called Kleva AI. Kleva, Kleva. So it's a very clever turn of a phrase. The part you're going to love is that it is really clever, and it is an AI system that you just talk to it like Siri, and it creates websites. So that doesn't sound like a big deal, and you're like, yeah. But let's take a look inside, and you're going to be blown away by what's possible. It is a very impressive, and as they say, clever idea. So here we go inside. Autonomous self-thinking system that writes, codes, designs, and launches complete websites, stores, landing pages, blogs, sales funnels, and more. You tell it what to do in any niche. So I'm going to scroll a little bit down to the how it works. So here we go. Step one, you can see this here. What would you like to build today? Kind of like Siri going, what do you want to do? Type what you want or speak it. Hey, create a sales page for my new weight loss product. Clone an Amazon website. Design a portfolio website for my brand. And it understands exactly what you mean. So that's step one. Step two is watch it build live. And you can see it put together things. Launching it, your business comes alive in front of you. Step three is launch it, publish it, and it goes live. Your site, your app goes live on the web. So that kind of gives you an idea of how easy, quick, and simple it is. And you're like, yeah, but I use that. Let's take a look, and let's look at some really cool ideas. So, hey, need a website for a luxury real estate brand that sells $1 million homes? Oh, I get it now. Hi, make a website, blah, blah, blah. With this, 3D reviews, agent profiles, boom, there you go. That's one great idea. How about need a streaming platform to clone Netflix or make your own streaming brand? Oh, there we go. Easy as that. Need a website for an online store that sells fashion and accessories, a high fashion e-commerce experience with product grids and hover zoom effects and size filters and discount triggers and secure PayPal. Oh, it's there as soon as I can talk about it. How about a landing page that launches your next startup idea with 3D hero animation, product mockup, live metrics counter, gradient motion effects, and razor sharp call to action sections, coded, branded, and hosted. Oh, there it is. How about a weight loss sales page? Converts visitors into customers overnight. What would you like to build? Well, here, make my own website for weight loss. And all it starts coming up, generating your code. I'm going to wait for a sec just to let you see, because everybody can picture. Oh, weight loss. Oh, that looks like a weight loss site. Nice. What other ideas? Clone the Amazon website for your own online store. I'm going to screen through these now. A digital marketing agency site that screams authority. So again, they start off with the same thing. You tell it what you want. Oh, yeah, there we go. Website for a music artist or a podcast landing page. Rhythm synced landing page, moves with your sound, with album previews, embedded Spotify, YouTube players, upcoming tour dates, and fans. There it is. There you go. Nice. How about a photography portfolio? You see what I mean? I'm gonna stop now because you can read this as well. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a couple of different discount coupon products. I should go to my site and tell you the price of it all. Here we go. The front end, it's amazing. It makes all this stuff. It's $16. There's a $13 discount coupon or a $3 discount coupon code and a $20 or 20% discount coupon code. You see what works. It gives you the biggest discount. Click the link in the video description and go check out Kleva AI. That's a funny thing, but you can talk into it and it will create whatever you want. That is very clever. Very, very smart. Check it out. Click the link in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.